Hi guys, today we're gonna test the JBL Partybox Club 120, the JBL Partybox Encore Essential 2, the JBL Grip, the JBL Clip 5 and the JBL Go 4 in max volume. They're in my room. I'm gonna go there and test maximum loudness. I don't know, I'm thinking 115 decibels. It's gonna be crazy loud. So let's get on with this test as fast as possible. So guys, good, these are crazy loud. It has more. Okay. So we reached a peak of 155 decibels, man. Oh no, stop the music right now. Don't want my ears to bleed again. Let's turn off everything. And this, of course. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel for more of these videos. This was crazy. I cannot even hear myself clearly right now because the speakers are just insane at loudness. And that is all that I have to say. And what do I say? Like I don't have any words. My ears are almost bleeding. Crazy loud. Make sure to like, subscribe and share it with your friends, and be good. Bye. So what is the conclusion about these speakers? So I'm just telling you guys that these speakers are crazy loud. Like, it's 15 minutes after the test and I can barely even hear myself because my ears are basically non-existent right now. Yeah, these 5 speakers they were around peaking at 300 watts. Like the whole line was like this, 280 to 320 watts. It was very powerful, and I don't even have any words, literally. It was just crazy loud. I have never ever heard the speakers scream like that. No distortion, just the loudness. It was just insane. As you saw the decibel meter on the tablet, it's not a very good one. It's an app from Play Store. iPad 11th gen coming soon. Be prepared. I'm just gonna tell you that just was loud. You saw the measurements, 125 decibels dBA. Although this is an app, so it's better to use actual decibel meter that has a big mic like this. I'm gonna get one soon. And it's better to use something like that and something not like the tablet because it's just gonna measure better. So if the tablet was speaking out at 125, the real world measurements were around 120, 118 to 120 decibels, dBA.